Hello and welcome to Shopping. In the next few minutes, I'll be talking to you about how shopping works, how it can help you grow your business, and why you need it right now. We all have a vision for our businesses. There is a dream we have for our businesses, and that dream is the reason why we started our businesses. Part of that dream was to have many customers who would love our service and pay on time. Staff who would believe in our vision and help us provide great customer service. Internal processes that worked so well, we wouldn't even need to be around to keep things moving. And of course, we want to make a lot of money. But there are many things that we don't want. We don't want to have to constantly look for new customers. We don't want to have to suffer the costs of high electricity and other things. The good news is that with technology, it is possible for us to run our business, achieve our vision, and have fun doing it. The even better news is that if you work with shopping, you don't need to know anything about technology to achieve all of this. All you need to be able to do is use a mobile phone. Let's talk a little bit about the online retail revolution. There is a revolution going on, and it's the kind of revolution that only happens once in a generation. Let's look at some numbers now. Talking about retail, in 2011, global retail grew by 8%, which was very good by the usual standards. But in the same year, 2011 online retail grew by 15%, which is twice the rate of offline global retail. But that is globally. The growth rates are even faster in developing countries. For example, in the same year, mobile advertising by small retailers in Kenya grew by over 50%, and mobile advertising in Nigeria grew by an unbelievable 300%. What all this is telling you is that online retail is growing much faster than normal offline retail. Smart business people are adapting to that reality. For example, there's a business called Groupon, which basically helps consumers find good deals online, and it has become the fastest growing business in history. They grew from 0 to $1 billion in sales within 18 months. That is the power of combining online retail and mobile, and there's lots more happening. Every single day, thousands and thousands of shops are closing down in developed economies and emerging markets as well. But they are not closing down because there is a problem with the business. They are closing their offline shop because they want to be part of the online revolution, and they have seen that they can run their business much cheaper and therefore give their customers cheaper prices and become the preferred seller of whatever product they are focusing on. Another important issue is that your business can grow very fast without having to keep getting more staff or renting a bigger office. We here at Shopping want the next big success story to be you. Shopping exists to make your business successful, so let us help you. Shopping is the easiest way to buy and the smartest way to sell. With your physical store, there are so many limitations. You are dependent on people physically coming to your store. When you do marketing campaigns, you have to focus within the area close to your shop. And of course, there are lots of challenges just keeping the store running, and you can't really focus on the business of selling your products. But with shopping, everybody in the world can see your store, and they can buy from you instantly. Shopping not only gives you a web shop, we also help you target 3 different groups of customers. Firstly, we help you reach the general public on the internet. We do this by using different techniques: Facebook adverts, Twitter, Google AdWords, and hundreds of other online advertising channels through which we can push your products and your web shop to the world. The second group we can help you reach is our own consumer network. Shopping has a very big consumer network of thousands of people who commit to buy on the shopping network every single month. These are all potential customers for you, and we can help you reach all these people. Finally, we help you improve your reach to your own contacts and contacts of your contacts. We help you with simple tools like bulk SMS and also the more complex tools like social media, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and all those platforms that can help you interact better with your own contacts and generate more business. And remember, we help you do all this without you having to become an expert. All you ever need with shopping is your mobile phone. Of course, just having a site to display products is not enough. People need to be able to pay online for your products. And that is why all our web shops come with full integration to local payment processors, so that consumers have a complete shopping experience with you. Your web shop is integrated with MasterCard and Visa, and local processors like InterSwitch in Nigeria, M-Pesa in Kenya, and so many others. And we do all of this at a price that is totally unbeatable. Okay, so how do you set up and sell with a web shop? How does it work? Let's take it step by step so that you can see how you can become an online retail giant in minutes. The first step is to set up your web shop. Our independent consultant will provide you with a link that you can visit to register for the web shop of your choice. Of course, you can pay online from your phone, and as soon as that is done, you can start playing around with your shop and make it look nice and lovely. You can select different designs and lots of other stuff, all from your mobile. After you have created your web shop, it is time to upload your products or services. You just select a product type from our very comprehensive list, and then you put in the product details. You can upload your own photos, or you can select photos from our database. You then need to put in the product price. Of course, as a smart merchant, you already know the importance of keeping your prices as low as possible so that the eventual price to the consumer is competitive. One of the amazing things about shopping is that we do not actually charge you any transaction fees. We let you put in your best price for your products, and then we add on our transaction fees after that. So in actual fact, it is the consumer that pays our fees. Shopping makes good pricing very easy for you because once you realize how much more efficient it is to sell online and you realize that you don't need all that shop overhead, eventually you'll be able to reduce your cost of doing business and reduce your product prices while still increasing your profit margins. That means your consumers will get great prices from you, they will be loyal to your shop, and you will have a very profitable operation. What could be better than that? You then need to fill in your terms of delivery. In the shopping network, all merchants are responsible for delivery of their products to consumers. You need to tell us where you are ready to deliver products to, how much it would cost, and stuff like that. Some merchants will deliver only within a small area, and some may be ready to deliver nationally. Consumers will be notified of your areas of coverage before they pay for any products, just in case you don't deliver to their location. You will need to indicate what your price is for delivery within your zone, state, and nationally if that applies to you. Attractive delivery terms can also differentiate you from other merchants. For example, if you offer free delivery, this may increase the attractiveness of your web shop. At this point, you are basically done and you're ready to start selling. But there is one very good idea which we recommend to all merchants: launching your new web shop with a special discount deal. Discount deals can help you attract a large crowd of new consumers, and if you provide them good service, which we know you will, they will keep coming back. Shopping actually has special functions to help you create deals and then automatically publicize these deals to the general public and our consumer network, as well as to your own network of contacts. Setting up deals is very easy, and you can always get help from one of our independent consultants or by calling our contact center. Now sit back and watch the sales start coming. Every single sale generates a transaction record which is sent to you via email or optionally via SMS as well, so you can keep track of exactly what is going on in your store, how many customers have bought, what the customers are buying, and where they want their items delivered. Your web shop customer interface also lets customers communicate directly with you. This lets you deepen your relationship with every customer and deal with any problems quickly. When consumers buy at your web shop, the money they pay goes to shopping. This gives the consumer the confidence to pay for the goods because he knows that if there is a problem, he can get a refund. As soon as you have delivered your goods to the consumer, you are supposed to ensure that the consumer authorizes shopping to release your money to you. This again is another easy process that the consumer does from his mobile phone. As soon as he does this, you get a confirmation request to ensure that you are ready to release the products to him. Once you confirm the request, the money will be ready for release to you. Within 2 to 3 weeks of collection by the consumer, the monies paid by the consumer will be sent to you via bank transfer using the account you set up in your account settings. Business is about continuous learning and improvement. It's always important to analyze your results so that you can find areas of improvement. That is why shopping also provides an extensive set of reports so that you can have a comprehensive understanding of what's happening in your shop and what you need to do to improve your service, improve your product, improve your customer profiling, and move to the next level. Shopping collects a huge amount of data on customers and customer behavior, and we make that available to you. Another fantastic thing about shopping. Each and every web shop works according to what we've just explained. The differences in the web shops has to do with extra features that may not be available on all kinds of web shops. For example, if you have a corporate web shop, we can feature you on our main homepage to give your shop extra publicity. Another example is that a business web shop has more storage space than a storefront, so of course you can create more products and use more images in a business web shop than you can for a storefront web shop. There's lots more to shopping, so go out and explore. Our independent business consultants and our friendly call center specialists are always on hand to assist you. Your business is our business. Thanks for listening. Now, go shopping.